once again, Elves at your service. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to play The Light by Sara Bareilles. And this song is requested by Michelle Umayam of Thailand. But before we start to our tutorial, let's have a quick shout out. Shout out to you Thai viewers, Suda, Pu, Arisa, Gigi, Sai, Poon, Blessed, Sushi, Sawadi, and also to Ate Chona, Ate Christy, Ate Lily, Ate Marian, Ate Dream, Mary Grace Bautista of Thailand, and also to Sutoy File channel, Chassi Gonya channel, Ami and Chris channel, and Badong's Travel. Happy viewing, everyone! Hindi na po natin patatagalin ang ating lesson. Grab your guitar and let's begin! On the second fret, string number 5. On the third fret, string number 6 and number 1. 1 and 6 on the third fret. Second fret, 5th string, G major chord. G suspended. On the second fret is string number 3. On the third fret is string number 6, 1, and 2. G suspended. Hold like this. G2. On the second fret is string number 3. On the third fret is string number 6. And number 1, G2. Next, E minor on the second fret, string number 5 and number 4. C major, 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, and 1st fret, string number 2. Hold like this, C major. D major, on the 2nd fret is string number 1 and number 3. 3rd fret is string number 2. 2. D major. Skip string number 6 and number 5. A minor. On the 1st fret, string number 2. On the 2nd fret is string number 4 and number 3. A minor. Skip string number 6. This one. A minor. A major on the 2nd fret is string number 2, 3, and 4. A major. Skip string number 6. Hit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, D7. On the 1st fret is string number 2. On the 2nd fret is string number 1 and 3. D7. C minor. On the 3rd fret, hold like this. On the 4th fret, string number 2. On the 5th fret, string number 3 and 4. Next, E minor on the 2nd fret, string number 4 and number 5. D suspended on the 2nd fret, string number 3. 3rd fret, string number 1 and 2. Dsus. Skip string number 6 and 5. Hit 4, 3, 2, 1 string. Next, C minor 6 on the 1st fret, string number 2 and number 4, hold like this. On the 2nd fret, string number 3. On the 3rd fret, string number 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Skip string number 6. C minor 6.
In the morning it comes, heaven sent a hurricane. Not a trace of the sun, but I don't even run from rain. Beating out of my chest, my heart is holding on to you. From the moment I knew, from the moment I knew. You're the air in my breath, filling my love-soaked lungs. Such a beautiful mess, intertwined and overrun. Nothing better than this. Oh, and then the storm came calm. You feel just like the sun, just like the sun.
Chorus part, since nag-C minor 6 tayo nung nag-verse 2 tayo, di ba? Then chorus. Okay? Start po tayo sa chorus.
And if you say, be alright, trust you, babe. You're gonna look in your eyes, and if you say be alright, I'll follow you into the light.
Yung interlude natin na G kanina, 2, 3, 4, at G suspended tayo, 2 bars, interlude dyan. After natin i-play yung 2 bars na yan, back to 2nd verse, then chorus, then bridge na po tayo. Same lang yung chorus, yung verse natin at yung chorus part natin. So, after natin ulitin yon, mag-bridge na po tayo. Okay? Assuming na na-play na natin yung verse 2 and chorus natin, which is yung last chords natin sa verse natin is D7. Tapos, diretso tayo ng bridge. Okay? So, mag-D7 na ako. Hindi na tayo dadaan ng interlude na G. Nag-interlude lang tayo kanina kasi babalik tayo ng verse 2 and chorus. So, after nating nakabalik sa verse 2 and chorus, diretso po tayo sa bridge natin. Okay? One, two, three, and...
Let the world come rushing, come down hard, come crashing. All I need is right here beside me. No love, I'm swearing, take my love and wear it over your shoulders.
So, after natin i-play yung bridge natin, back to chorus tayo na a cappella. Then, ending na po yun. Okay?
And if you say, be alright, I'm gonna trust you, babe. I'm gonna look in your eyes. And if you say, be alright, I'll follow you into the light. The light. The light.
Yun po yung part natin, which is ang G, then G suspended. Twice nating ipi-play yun, then sa last chord natin is G. After natin i-play yung chorus na walang tugtog.
All I need is right here beside me. No love, I'm swearing, take my love and wear it over your shoulders. And if you say, be alright, I'm gonna trust you, babe. Gonna look in your eyes, and if you say, be alright, I'll follow you into the light. The light. The light.
That's it for tutorial today. I hope you guys had fun with the lesson, and if you did, just give it up a thumbs up and let me know in my comment section below. At once again, salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-like and subscribe sa aking channel, which is ang Musekera. At sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please hit subscribe button and don't forget also to click the notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking bagong videos. Once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsusubaybay. Ingat po kayo palagi. Bye!